Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Swaran Tech. Guys, today in this video I am going to unbox the mobile realme narzo 50i. Guys, this product realme narzo 50i was courtesy by Eloro Computers. Thank you Eloro Computers for giving me the another product to make the unboxing video. Thank you. Guys, if you are seeing my video for the first time, please do like and subscribe to my channel and also check the content in our channel. Hope you like that. And let's go into our video unboxing Realme Narzo 50i. Let's open the seal. Realme Narzo 50i. Guys, now I'm going to open the box. Narzo, feel the power. A quick guide. And a safety guide, Realme safety guide. Let's keep it aside. Oh, mobile. Let's keep this mobile for some time. This is the adapter. This is the USB cable. Let's open the mobile. Wow. Narzo, designed by Realme. Wow, nice looking mobile. This phone comes with the car- carbon black color, and it comes with the 2 GB RAM and 32 GB storage. Now let's turn on the mobile. Realme powered by Android. Guys, this phone costs 7500 rupees nearly. I bought this in the Flipkart. Guys, if you turn on the mobile, it comes like this. Now guys, I'm going to turn off this. Nice options. So guys, this is the unboxing video of the realme narzo 50i. Hope you like this video. If you like our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel Swaran Tech. And don't forget to click the bell icon. Stay tuned for the more tech updates and the unboxing videos. Thanks for watching.